girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate you. No disrespecting, baby, just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up, that's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up, little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed, I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her, she deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard, she deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that, I got that work. I heard that she been on strike, care to tell, I read your mind. She been on them dollars first, caramel, macchiato, with Shawty getting to work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vika, or a grand with perks. I'm just trying to work that, they just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind, I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light, they just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel the way you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bull, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love, maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside, I can tell you like persistence, but I make me tries. I just think we need one night, can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right, can't decide but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups, I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right, but that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important baby, cause I'm a whole nine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby? 'Cause you don't know me.
doing that, you hide me everything. You ready to ride? Hop up in my Jeep and put your body to the side. Go against the game, you must be ready to hide. Swinging on the corner, bag my tape feeling pie. I thought I was a goner, place to your honor. Burn marijuana, deep diamond is on her. Hotter than the sauna, I made her ass a lot. All her baby Prada, she popped it for the dollar. Used to go out, she say, you can hear my phone, the knees hurt. Used to go out, she say, you can hear my phone, the knees hurt.
One of them ones.
Western Road flows, I did it for my granny. Back when we couldn't buy pizza cause we were down to pennies. Feel like we go back a century, run to the store for centuries. Then bring it back to your brother, man, we had to respect it. He was wavy doing mixtapes out of your basement. He let it take it on occasion for entertainment. Then he would leave us at the house and go out on a mission. We probably would've got in less trouble just going with him. Feel like I never say much, but man, that's a lot to know. Feel like the difference between us really starting to show. I'm looking at they first week numbers like, what are those? I mean, you boys not even coming close. I gave like you a reason for celebration. You number one and I'm Eddie Murphy, we trading places. Look in the mirror, I'm closer than I really appear. Creeping like chili without the tender love and care. No tender love and care, no love and affection. I got a price on my head, but there's a risk to collecting. I might be here as a vessel to teach people a lesson. Feel like they wanted me dead, but couldn't pull it together. Yeah. But here we are and it's a new semester. 40, the only one that know how I deal with the pressure. A couple nights where it started to feel like the feelings faded. A lot of problems that can't be fixed with a conversation. Yeah. Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm born yesterday, you forgot my birthday. You don't be scoring perfect. You don't be working like how we be working. You platinum like rappers on Hershey's, boy, that's what it's worthless. You get the message over and over like it was urgent. And then act like you ain't heard it when you see me in person. The only thing I did to end up here was put the work in. And did it with a purpose. Used to have secret handshakes to confirm my friendships. Nowadays they just shaking my hand to hide the tension. A lot of people just hit me up when my name is mentioned. Shout out to KD, we relate, we get the same attention. It's raining money, Oklahoma City Thunder. The most successful rapper 35 and under. I'm assuming everybody's 35 and under.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Amanda Hair, and today I'm reviewing this amazing highlighted unit from them. It's like a honey blonde piano highlight unit, and I believe that I have this in probably like 24 to 26 inches long. This unit is actually really long, and that's one thing that I like about it, because even though this might be a 24-inch, it actually gives more so of a longer length on me. And I don't know if it's just because of my height or just because they definitely give you your money's worth, but nonetheless, this is an amazing lengthy unit. And because I did add these beautiful wand curls to it, it did make it a little bit shorter. So if you guys want to see where this unit hits on me, you know, just make sure. So that's why in the tutorial I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like when it's curled versus in its natural air dried state, because it's actually a lot longer than what it appears to be at the moment. But yeah, this is the finished look. I just added these really beautiful wand curls in my hair, and I absolutely love doing wand curls. I think it's just such a quick and easy way to style your hair. And the other thing that I love about doing wand curls is that the look actually lasts a really long time, and the more time that goes by, the more beautiful it actually actually gets. And as you guys probably noticed, today I did something a little bit different because, you know, I've been noticing with my installs, like I haven't really been liking how they looked. I'm just gonna be honest, like the lace is always showing. There's always like a line of demarcation. Instead of my normal way where I apply the unit and then I cut the lace off, today I decided to cut the lace before I even applied the unit, and then I went ahead and adhered the unit using the Got to Be Glued spray. And I think that was literally the best decision, and I think going forward this is the way that I'm gonna do it. My unit melts a lot better. It looks so seamless, so natural. So this is what the unit looks like. I didn't put any baby hairs anywhere in the unit because I really wanted to show off how natural the hairline actually looks. I wanted to show you guys how well the lace melted, and I also wanted to show you guys how to do a unit without adding all the extra baby hair. So here's an up close look at the hairline. You guys can see how natural it looks. And yes, like I said, I did pluck this unit and I did also bleach the knots on it, and it's just such a huge difference versus like some of my other installs that I do where you just have like a very obvious line of demarcation. This one definitely it's getting better, you know what I mean? And I'm just working on trying to perfect my craft and have better looking installs, more natural looking installs. This is the parting space on the unit. This is a 13x4 lace front unit, by the way. So for this unit, the tracks start back here, and this is what it's looking like. So this is the front, and then this is the back. So you actually get a decent amount of space, but just down here, the closer you get down here, the shorter the parting space is. So that is something that I do want to let you guys know about. So I am going to stand up and do my 360 so you guys can see where this unit is hitting on me. And for reference, I am 5'2". So this is where the unit is hitting on me in the front. And like I said, it just looks a little bit shorter because I did curl it. But if you pull it, yeah, that's when it's pulled. Like super long, but yeah. Boop. And then it just goes right back into a pretty curl. It looks so pretty. I love it. And then the back. I do want to show y'all what it looks like in the back. Okay, it is so pretty. Absolutely love how it turned out. And then as far as the curling iron that I use, this is from DeVol, and I got this a while ago actually. It comes with 3 different heads, so you can definitely change the sizes. It goes up to 430 degrees, so that's pretty decent. It gets pretty hot, and I really do like this, and I like it because it's just all one length, so that means that your curls will come out consistent, because there are some curling ones that are like fatter here and then they get skinnier down here, and that changes the wave pattern. But I did use the Got to Be spray, and I also used this heat protectant. I've been seeing a lot of people do reviews on this heat protectant on TikTok, and I'm actually thinking like I might want to get a different type of heat protectant. There's one that I used to use, but you can only get it at Sally's, and I just don't go to Sally's like that, you know. So I think I might go to Sally's once this one is done and then use a new heat protectant. Yeah, y'all, this is how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. I love the hairline for this. I love how the parting space is. I love how natural it looks, and I like the new way that I decided to apply my unit. I'm definitely going to be doing that with all my future units just to see if it makes somewhat of a difference, because girl, I was really getting sick and tired of seeing my units and being like, girl, it's the line of demarcation for me. Like, I can't do it. If you guys enjoyed this video and you like this install, let me know by liking this video. Drop a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on today's look. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Amanda Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.